In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Cloudflare. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, making direct changes to your website, or simply need to pause Cloudflare temporarily, this is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few steps. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to disable Cloudflare for your site, while ensuring everything is handled smoothly. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Head over to the Cloudflare website and enter your credentials, your email address and password on the login page. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Cloudflare dashboard, where you can see a list of all the domains you have registered with Cloudflare. If you're managing multiple domains, this is where you'll choose the specific site you want to work on. Next, from the list of domains, select the one for which you want to disable Cloudflare. Click on the domain name to open its main settings page. This is where you can manage all the Cloudflare configurations and settings specific to that domain. Make sure you're working on the correct site to avoid any unintended changes to other domains. Once you're on the domain's main page, look for the Overview tab. This tab is usually located in the top navigation menu. Click on it and it will take you to the Overview section of the domain. This area provides a summary of your domain's current status and other essential details. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section, as it often contains helpful information about your site's connection and performance. Now, scroll down the Overview page until you find the section labeled Advanced Actions. This section is where you'll find options for making significant changes to how Cloudflare interacts with your site. Take your time to locate this section. It's usually positioned toward the bottom of the Overview page, so keep scrolling until you see it. Within the Advanced Actions section, you'll see an option labeled Pause Cloudflare on Site. This is the feature we'll be using to disable Cloudflare temporarily. Click on this option and you'll be prompted with a confirmation message. This is Cloudflare's way of making sure you really want to proceed, as pausing Cloudflare will disable its services globally for your site. Take a moment to review the message, and if you're sure you want to move forward, confirm your decision. Once you've confirmed, the process of pausing Cloudflare will begin. This change doesn't happen instantly, so you'll need to wait for up to 5 minutes for the process to fully complete. During this time, Cloudflare's services such as caching, security, and performance optimizations will be paused for your site. Your site will still function, but it will rely on your origin server directly without the additional benefits of Cloudflare's services. This is a great time to test any changes or troubleshoot issues without Cloudflare in the mix. And that's it. Cloudflare is now disabled for your site. Remember, this action is reversible. If you want to enable Cloudflare again, you can simply return to the same Advanced Action section and reactivate it. Taking this step is useful in many situations, so it's good to know how to do it confidently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.